Everybody's Troy Roadside RC today. We are here today looking at what I believe might be the cheapest, best crawler upgrade you could possibly do for a crawler. And I know that's a bold statement, right? So what happened is recently we went to Big Buddha's RC ranch, and the message coming clear to the drivers was winches required. All right. And now we didn't want to have to go through all the mess and all the hassle of one of the electric winches and figuring out how to wire it into a controller or any of that kind of stuff. So we picked up one of these DSM off-road self-recovery setups, and we put them on our TRX4, SEX10, and the Junkyard Mutt. And, you know, did it make the crawler necessarily perform better? Not really, but did it get us over stuff that we've never gotten over before that was otherwise impossible? Yes. So we picked up one more of them, and we are going to slap it on our Wraith today, and then we're going to go back out front, and we're going to go to the impossible wall where the Wraith basically just cannot get up this one spot, and see if this winch gets us up there. So follow along. Simple installation here. I know this is really pretty simple. This is a kinetic recovery system. It's a bungee cord, right? Look at that. Hook on one end, a loop on the other, kind of carabiner kind of thing on the other end. In the middle, bungee cord, all right? Now what this is, so what you need to do is figure out somewhere on the front of the vehicle to attach this end. Now frequently I will see that this size is not big enough to actually go around any of these pipes, but also it needs to be strong enough because you're going to yank your vehicle by this thing. So it needs to not be some delicate piece that's only held on by one screw. It needs to be something substantial for the vehicle. For this application in the Wraith, really pretty simple. Just looped it around that front cross member, and now we have a strong spot that we can pull on for the whole vehicle. So let's get a battery in this thing, and we're going to go out front and give it a test. Oh man, look at that. So this is the impossible wall. Every now and then the Wraith will be able to bounce up it, but it's pretty dang rare if I'm honest. And so here it is, we're trying it out. Now all you gotta do is now we're gonna take this strap and we're gonna pull it and see where we can't get this thing connected to, way over here. So I'm hooking it on this rock right there. Now with that force, up it comes. Look at that. How dang easy is that, right? So if you are really struggling, I think that strap is like $15 or $10 or something like that. That's the 20-inch. You can get longer ones, you can get shorter ones depending on your application. All you do is after you have it, you just literally wrap it around, hook it on somewhere on the vehicle, and you are in business. How simple is that, right? So hey, I hope this was helpful. If you don't have one, go get one. Maybe somebody local, like my guy at Big Buddha's, he actually makes them. And so you could always reach out to him. Maybe he'll ship you one. Or I'll provide a link down to this DSM off-road strap down in the comments below. If you have a crawler, you pretty much got to get one. All right, take it easy. I hope this was helpful. Hey, while we're working on the other videos, come over here, check out some of the other stuff going on, and we will see you next time. Bye.